Let me just show you quickly how to use pineapple for your skin. I promise to spill all the tea on this, so please just keep on watching. Hey beauties, welcome back. If this is your first video you're watching from this channel, thank you for watching this video and welcome to my channel. If you're a regular, welcome back. So, do you notice anything? My skin is glowing, skin is popping, like, yeah, can you feel that? Okay, so I have a very quick hack for you. If you know me, you know like I am very huge on skincare routines. I like to try a lot of natural stuff. Mind you, I don't like using a lot of like chemical products. I'd rather use like natural things that I can really like find in my home. I just like to try some of those things based on the reviews I hear, based on research and many things. And ta-da! Today I have pineapple with me. Today I have pineapple with me. Pineapple is a regular. We include it in our smoothies, in our fruit salads. We eat it as a fruit. You blend it, you juice it, whatever. A lot of people take pineapples. I like pineapples, especially like the juice. I really do not like eating it because I know it gives you this like bitter taste, especially when you drink water afterwards. But I like juicing it up and I like including it in my smoothies. But today is not a smoothie day. Today is for the face, today is for the skin. And I have this, not one, because I like pineapples a lot. I have two pineapples here with me, like see, so I'm ready for you guys really. So this is a regular pineapple, but this is a different species. I basically like just buy them. I know this is like grown locally in my, or this is like the common pineapple. It's grown locally in my country in Lagos, Nigeria. And this like I hear is kind of like imported like from neighboring African countries. But yeah, different species. One is slim, one is like me. This one looks like me, right? Well, this one is my body goose. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is to rinse this bad boy. I'm actually cutting this pineapple because if you notice, this one is kind of like getting rotten, but it's still very good. So I'm going to definitely cut this before the other pineapple. I cut according to the one that I feel needs to be cut. And I'm using this giant knife over here. I just like slicing them. We all know how to cut a pineapple really, but this is just like to still show you. Guys, so my pineapple is ready. I sliced them up and I just gave them a good rinse afterwards because of course when I was cutting there was some dirt, some parts were bad, and that was why I had to like cut straight and cut them right out. Nobody wants to get food poisoning and everything. So this is the pineapple, this is the edible pineapple, but definitely this is going on my face. So let me just show you how I'm going to apply this on my face very quickly. Beauties, so this is my pineapple. I'm just going to be using one slice. But before I do that, let me just give you the 411 on why you should use pineapple for your face. Pineapple juice contains vitamin C and beta carotene. These antioxidants can help to fight skin damage caused by the sun and pollution. It reduces wrinkles and it improves overall skin texture. Vitamin C also helps with collagen formation, which is a common protein in the body that gives the skin its strength and structure. So pineapples are known to brighten and even out skin tones, whilst also being an antioxidant and preventing the skin from pollution damage during the day. So after you've gone out during the day and there's a lot of dirt, there's a lot of like pollution on your skin, the pineapple is a good way of using that to like exfoliate your skin and get back your even skin tone. The enzymes found in pineapple can slough away dead skin cells and reduces the appearance of blackheads, which means this is ideal for anybody that is struggling with dark spots, dark marks, and any other skincare issue. Pineapple juice is loaded with an enzyme known as bromelain. If you are suffering from acne, apart from you using pineapple on your skin, you should also drink it regularly because it will reduce chronic inflammation, which is most times found behind the reasons, or most times the reason that acne is found in your skin in the first place. Pineapple is very beneficial for acne treatment. It's the storehouse of vitamin C, bromelain, and antioxidants, which are extremely beneficial in the treatment of and the prevention of acne, fine lines, sun damage, and uneven skin toning, etc. Bromelain found in pineapple softens the skin and it is used against skin inflammation and swelling. So guys, with those few points of mine, I hope you've seen reason to apply pineapple on your skin. So it's nothing too difficult, it's very simple. Like, I try to do this like almost every time. She just do it unconsciously. Like if I'm like slicing up pineapples to consume in the house, or if I'm just like blending a smoothie, I just take out some, and I know that that is supposed to be for my face. Like I said, it helps with like evening out your skin tone. After sometimes some of us are not really so dark, but you've gone out in the sun and so many things settle on your face, you need to come back home and rejuvenate your skin. So that's basically what the pineapple does for you. You don't need to, this is very good because you're not like working on so many things, you're not like putting so many products together. The pineapple itself is enough for you. And I started doing this, and like, if you know me on a normal day, I'm not bleaching, but this is like helps to even out the skin tone and to have a very glowing skin. So I've been doing this for some time, and I was like, where have you been all my life? Like, this has helped me. So the pineapple here, just do this on your skin. You need just the juice. I like doing this because I like the purest juice. I don't want it to be mixed with water or any other thing. So I just take it like this, like it's so, and I just drop it on my face like this. Yeah, this is the pineapple juice. If you want to blend it and like juice it up, and if you want to just extract the juice, that's perfectly fine. Anyhow, any way you can do this, it's okay. So just apply everywhere. Just imagine this is a cotton pad soaked with something, soaked with your toner or something, and that's it. So use this on your face, scrub around. If your skin is extra sensitive, like if you have very sensitive eyes, I would advise that you don't get close to your eyes. Just leave it down, don't let it go close, so that your eyes don't burn. Really, it doesn't burn, but you never know. Everybody's skin is different. We're all different at the end of the day. What might work for you might not work for me. So you just like test this first before you go on applying it all over and it starts burning. But really, pineapple has never burnt my skin before. So that is it. Very simple, right? Like very easy peasy. So I am done. I hope I covered everywhere because I'm not using the mirror. So you can use it downwards to your neck, your face basically, and that's it. That's your skincare treatment for that day. So you can leave it on your skin for about 3 to 5 minutes. Sometimes I leave it for longer, like I just go on to do some other activities, and afterwards I'll just wash it off and I'll apply my favorite moisturizer. Moisturizer in this case for me is usually honey. I like honey a lot. I use it on my skin a lot, but I usually mix it with a bit of like under moisturizer, like a lotion or some oils like papaya or almond oil or coconut oil, and I just apply it on my face, and that's it. So guys, this is the treatment. I don't need to come back to tell you that, oh, this is how it is. You saw my face before, and I just did this as a sample for you to see how this works. So just grab your pineapple, slice it up before you eat it, put it on your face first. So anytime you're thinking of having a smoothie, having a fruit salad, save some pineapple, put it on your face, and you see the benefits. Like, it's laden with a lot of benefits. I am sure I didn't even cover everything. So guys, this is how you can prevent acne on your face, fine lines, wrinkles, all those marks you don't like, all those spots you don't like. You don't need to buy thousands of dollars of products. Pineapple will do justice for you. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Kindly share this video. If you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in other ones. Bye.